Hello guys, so my name is Daniel from Danny TV / Dan Racing, whatever you guys want to call it, but from the Dan Racing team. Today we'll be working on mounting a new taillight for the bike. So new taillight and a mirror, just one mirror. One mirror to the bike, and also I got something to show you guys. Okay, so I fabricated this exhaust pipe. The welds aren't the best, but that's what I managed to do. So as you can see, the exhaust is there, here, outside here. So there you guys can see it. So then it goes in there. It's going to go in there and up through here, so it exhausts somewhere around here. And of course I'm gonna put a muffler, but for now this is what I've done so far. But okay, so here's the headlight. I'm gonna pull it out. As you can see, some wires, some blinkers, everything. I hope it's gonna look really nice on the bike. Some mounting screws, a plate, anodized. Looks really great. Top notch quality. And probably some clips to connect the wires. Okay, so the mirror has been installed. It's really not great at all at visibility. It's horrible. Like, I don't even know like how you can ride with this small of a mirror. But hey, it's what I got. So the adapter doesn't fit in this one, so I gotta take it to the shop when I want, if I want. As you can see, it just doesn't screw in at all. It just doesn't want to screw in at all. So I gotta take it or get it retapped or something, because it doesn't screw in at all. Or maybe just get a bolt that goes through it. I don't really care. I got a new chain to put in. I haven't worked on that yet because I'm not riding the bike daily again. But yeah, I think now I gotta go do the back headlight. Taillight, yeah. Okay guys, it's done. So I'm gonna turn on the keys. Bike's on. Those are the brake lights. Now the blinkers. Let's see how it works with the really looks pretty. So I'm gonna have to tidy up those wires for now. It's looking nice. So yeah, I don't think the plate really matters. Really, I don't care. So yeah, running it without plate like a boss. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. And life's better with 2 strokes anyway, so goodbye guys.